hope I do not loop this guy's bike today, bro. Honestly, he said if you loop it or you break it, you pay for it. And obviously, I am not trying to have to pay for anything. But shout out my boy Jacob for letting me get on the Grom today. A little scary experience for sure. God dang, bro.
Gotta give it a lot of gas.
Dude, I honestly feel like it's my first time being back on the bike, bro. Whenever I get on somebody else's bike, it feels like it's the very first time. Alright, man, let's see what we can do, bro. Right now I'm in second. Obviously, you can't see whether I'm in second or not, but we're gonna try to power this thing up. Hold up. Oh. Ah! We're gonna get this thing up, bro. You just do a montage of me circling the parking lot for like an hour. Damn!
Remember, bro, you're used to going fast. Remember, it's like 5 miles an hour, 5 or 6 miles an hour.
Okay. That's one thing I do need to get, bro. I'm out here messing up in second gear, right?
Here we go, round 2. First gear.
First gear.
5 miles an hour. Hold on. First gear.
5 miles per hour.
5 miles an hour. Okay.
Whew! I'm gonna try to.
Hey, pull in the clutch.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is in nothing. Take it up to. What do we got here? Take it up to 7.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The goal here is to get the wheel up and then catch it with the back brake and keep it there with this.
Yes.
Okay, just to make it all a circuit, right?
Yeah.
Take it up to 7 and then let go of the clutch, okay? Keep this where it's at.
Yeah.
Your problem.
Imagine my hand was.
No, here's the problem. You're doing this. You're doing this. You're going boom, 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 boom. And when you let go of the clutch, you're killing the throttle. And nothing.
I am. So I need to keep it in there while I'm letting go.
Keep it in there. And then when you get up, you'll learn to keep yourself up.
Right.
Right?
All right, bet. Hey, man, I'm telling y'all don't need to go to no riding school. This man right here got me right. Let's see if we can pop these things up, though.
My collarbone's broken.
You didn't have to tell them that. Yo, that's funny as hell. Let me turn around so I can get back to it, bro. Golly, I'm out here, man. I can't be looking like a rookie. Dude, 2 hours later, my goodness, I'm out here effing up. Hey, there we go. Got a little scared when that motherfucker was doing it then. Oh. Dude. Dead stop? Fuck no!
Literally, bro, it's all about being in limbo.
I'm trying to make sure I don't fucking.
So, like, we're not here, right? Okay. So it's all about being in limbo, right?
Mm-hmm.
Here's your limbo. Drop.
I know, bro. I keep getting scared for some reason.
Here, right? You're doing that, right?
Yeah.
Oh no! Oh no!
I'm like, I'm kind of guessing when it's gonna go up.
Like this much, right?
Yeah.
Here's the thing: you want to drop it,
And then it'll.
and you control yourself with your rear brake.
All right, bet. No, I know that. I'm trying to make sure I don't go too fast.
You need to loop. You need to
Hell no, not again.
get the bitch up, really, for real.
Dude, not again, bro. Golly. I'm gonna stay away from that. Y'all heading out? Okay, you just gonna go wheelie? You said what? Okay, bet. I'll see you in a little bit, bro. Be safe. Again, I don't know him or him. I don't know who they are. I'm playing. Let's fucking get this shit going, bro, huh? Ah! Okay, I get it now. I get it a little bit. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Trying to make sure I keep my foot on the front brake, bro. Okay. Let me find out we doing something. Let me find out we cooking with grease. This is fun. Stunting is fun when you get it.
Great, bro. Don't be so frustrated with yourself. You're doing great.
Appreciate you. Hey, see, Josh, my guy, man.
You're doing good. Just don't tuck.
I still don't know who you are, bro. No, no, dude. Hey, I keep, bro. I keep tucking every time, bro. I'm like, let me not get too far away from this, bro. Oh my gosh. And then just making sure that I don't move my fucking leg from underneath me.
Yeah, when I finally got it up, I was like, no.
That's the worst mistake, bro. That's how I be looping every time. We gonna get it up though, cause one day I'm gonna wheelie that 1,000, bro.
Stop the cap.
One day. We'll see. I did. I ain't gonna lie, I did. Yo, I was probably like this far off the ground. Let me see. Hold up. Boom!
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Yeah. Damn, we'll go neutral. Oh no, I'm good. It won't go neutral though. You said what? Nah, my phone is in there. Fuck, bro. Did it?
As long as you're good.
What is this?
It's been like that.
That's the handbrake. That's
it's like it is like that.
Okay.
As long as you're good.
Dude, I gotta record that. Well, I got it on YouTube. Y'all got to see me loop. I wonder what noise I made, bro. We're gonna go back in the video and see. Dude, I couldn't believe I kept falling back. So it's ripped?
Yeah, your ass.
It felt good, bro. Felt good.
Good, baby. Let me see.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Bike is good too, apparently. Dude, how high did I get on that? I felt like I was up here.
What do you mean? You went 2 o'clock.
Yo!
Look, you fucking scrape.
Hey, I scraped. Y'all heard it first, man. Hey, I'm like that. I don't know what to tell y'all. I did scrape that.
That's where you decided to dismount.
Was it because I removed my foot? I should have just kept it on there and used it.
At that break, you probably
I think I panicked a little bit. Damn. Nah, my bad, bro. Hey, you were pulling them up easily, bro. On that, I don't know how you do it.
Usually y'all make it look too. Yeah, bro.
I know, bro.
Not even on a break.
I don't use the brake. I just torque, yeah.
I'm trying to get to that point, man. Trying to get to it.
I grew up riding dirt bikes.
Also,
I got my first dirt bike at like 41. Yeah.
sheesh. Yeah, you've been riding this for a while. That's dope, though.
I did a lot of dirt. This is all my first asphalt shit.
Oh, so you were jumping hills and stuff? Dude, that's elite stuff, bro. That's dope.
He watched me ride. Like, really.
Bro, that's elite. To be able to do flips and shit and jump that and land it.
This dude was fucking doing wheelies in this under the bridge, kind of in Fort Worth, and he was drifting in a wheelie.
That's insane. Yeah, you know how to ride. Yeah, you know how to ride.
What do you mean by that?
That's dope, bro. I'm trying to get to that point. Let's see if I can pop some more wheelies.
Yeah, but you got me. Do it again.
All right, let's get back to the basics, baby. You know how that go, baby. Oh shit, he over there popping wheelies and stuff. Okay, I see you. Yeah. That's dope. Nick. Hold on. Oh. I'm trying to get used to the brake. Hey. Trying to get used to that rear brake. Dude, he was popping them up easily.
Hey, I'm not saying when you get it up. When you get up, try to maintain it. When you get it up, let off just a quarter.
So leave it on, because I keep letting go, that's why.
Going, and as soon as you get up high, you let off all the way. Let off just a halfway and maintain it. Let the gears run out.
Shit. All right, bet. Challenge of the day. To let it ride up for at least 2 yards. I know he was like, if he breaks anything, just know. I almost got it, bro. I almost got it. Come on, man. Oh, he's finna wheelie. Finna get him on the thing. Hey! He be popping them up easily, though. Sheesh. He's really nice at what he does. My goal is to be that nice. Oh, yeah, I'm watching. We got you. He can ride, bro. Sheesh. Inspiring. Most definitely inspiring. It felt good. A little scary, but it felt good. Almost. I'm gonna do it by him real quick. For now, yeah.
Come on, man. You got this.
Oh no, dude, it felt good to get it up a couple times.
You were getting comfortable.
Am I tripping?
Roll it forward. It's easier.
Oh.
If you go with it and do it, it's easier.
Oh. Little up.
All right.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh. Oh, the key's up here.
No, you're good. Leave it on.
All right, bet.
Turn it off.
Huh?
Turn it off.
I'll turn it off.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Whew. Boy, I'm out here sweating. We're gonna get these Grom days down, man. I'm gonna have to start numbering these, but we're gonna get it down, bro. I was able to pop it up a couple times, looped once, got a big hole in my pants, but that's why we wear 2 pants. We good to go now, man. Very fun to do wheelies on the Grom, and I didn't loop too much, so that's also good. So we'll catch you on the next one, bro. I'll see y'all. Y'all stay blessed and be safe, man. Peace.